Want to know how to get help or support in the Remitly website. So if you're having issues with sending money and more service stuff of Remitly, this video is for you. So finding and getting support in Remitly is so simple. So you can just simply open up your Remitly application right here, and you can just simply scroll down a little bit, and here you should be seeing support, and here you should be seeing help right here. If you don't see it, on the top right side you should be seeing welcome, and right under welcome you should be seeing help right here. You can simply select this as well, any one of these two, and you should be directed to the help tab of Remitly, where you can just simply contact support and help. So you can just simply see what you can help with, or you can also see categories right here. How does Remitly work? You need help and receiving money as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.